parent for young and old. Those who are parents have found a parent in you. Those who have not had shelter, you have shelter to them. Those who have no joy, you provide them joy. Those who have no opportunities of education, you provide those opportunities. You are a shoulder to lean upon. You are a shoulder to lean upon. He who started with vision had a great vision, because when vision feeds the hunger, clothes the naked, quench the thirst. Really, you are a shoulder to lean upon. You are a shoulder to lean upon. You are a wiper of weeping eyes. Those who are young, their bellies were fed. Those who are old and tattered low, when they clothe them. Indeed, you are a shoulder to lean upon. Indeed, you are a shoulder to lean upon. The world is crying about the balanced food. You provide us with fruit trees, which will provide us with fruit for life. Thank you for the Garden of Eden. What you have done for us is infinity. Surely you are a shoulder to lean upon.